Okay, we start. I will discuss about the code. Yeah. This is the arithmetic code. Arithmetic coding for data compression. There is another compression, for example, Huffman method, but Huffman maybe we will discuss next week. The arithmetic coding is already published. Yeah. For example, in June 1987 in Stanford, Radford and etc. discuss about the powerful of arithmetic coding. Yeah. This is difficult, but with some exercises or some model, we can discuss easily. I will share the Excel for the simple calculation. Also, there is another resources, for example, here in Michael Dipperstein, and this is the GitHub. There is a discussion about arithmetic code, discussion and implementation. This is actually this is the first time for compressing the text, for example, A, B, C, D, and etc. This is also the text, yeah. And can compress into a simple number. Yeah. The main idea is using you can see this lecturer from UMKC, yeah, from Julie. This is the use of sample of coding, there's a zigzag and etc. You can read this, but I will directly to calculation. Yeah. Okay. This Excel I will be share this Excel with you. The simple method in calculation is using the table. For example, I will decode the word India. There is, you can see it in YouTube. There is a lot of example how to compress using the arithmetic code, India and etc. Or ABCD, just simple ABCD, like in the here ABCD with the probability. So the component of the arithmetic code is the probability. For example, India, in the word India there is two times E, so there is 2 divided by 5, so there is 0.4, and another word is only appear once, for example ND and A, so this is 1 per 1 2 3 4 5, so 0.2, 0.2, and the first time you have to using the alphabetically, A, B, C, D, I, and N. Do not just more easier. And then for A, the probability is 0.2 with low 0 and high is 2. And then this continue. You see that there is similar to this is equal to this, and then this is probability plus the current, yeah, so the pole, and the maximum is 1 because the probability is maximum 1, yeah. So the arithmetic code is 0 to 1. Yeah. And then how to use the arithmetic code. First, there is you have to string. This is the string. You have to write the string in reality, and then you have to mapping. This is and this is just you copy and paste here, but only paste the value, yeah, not equation. So, and there is a 2 times I. It's okay, you copy twice for E because there is, and you have to thread, do not in the same row, yeah. And D, you see the D is because in this equation we will mapping from this to this, yeah. The first you have to fill 0 and 1 before India, yeah. So, and this is the code rank is the difference between high and low. Okay, you see from this explanation, actually this is the encoding. Encoding is conversion from true word into the code, yeah, or compress. First is 0 and 1, so you have to add here 0 and 1, and then there is a looping here. There is a current range. The current range is upper bound and lower bound. So the first is must be 1 because it's 1 minus 0, 1. But in next round, you have to calculate the lower bound by using this equation. Lower bound plus current range times a lower bound of new symbol, and the lower bound of new symbol is the here, yeah, is a new symbol. For example, the I, you see if you see the equation, I is the low plus the code range, or what is this? Current range, yeah, current range times the lower bound of new symbols. The lower bound of new symbols. This is the I. The lower bound is here. Actually, you can use the upper bound first, but I prefer to use the lower bound. So, because this code will be copied to calculate the height, the lower should be using a dollar, yeah, or string to only move for the static, yeah, because in high still use the G column, so I have to use the string or dollar. And then for the code range, I have to fix in I row and only move in column, so I have to use the string here. Okay, and then okay, there is a new equation here. This is if this is n, and for the high is using O. Okay, and you can just copy this to get the n, and copy to the right to get the n or higher range, and the code rank is you only copy from the upper, yeah. For example, I delete here. You just copy here, and the equation is this is continue until the A for India. Continue until the symbol finish, the last symbol for India. And then the India is number between 0.742 to 0.746. Yeah. For example, if I use the code 74, for example, 25. This number is converting to India. So you see that these numbers simply so it's more easier. Another example, the Unjani, you can represent this string with the number between 0.936 and from to high. So 93600, maybe 05. Yeah, this is the Unjani. And for example, another example, A, B, C, D, E. This string here can be represented in arithmetic code from any number from 0 low to high, 0.11903 to 0.11925. For example, you use, if I decode this number, that will be a B, C, D, E. How we decode this number into this original symbols? For example, the method is here like this. For example, 0.742 5, for example, yeah. Because this number is inside this range 0.25242. Let me try. 0.7425. If you see from here, you see here, the 74 is inside the I. So the first letter should be I. You see, because if you see this 0.74 7777, I think it's more easy. It's inside the I range. Because I is from 0.4 to 0.8, you should correct it here, minus the low. Here you see there is a new difference from this 7.4 to the lower bound, 0.4, and you have to divide this by the range. You see that the range from I is 0.4, 0.4, and you see 0.85 and etc. It is the new this is the new number, and you just copy this. You see again that we have the new number 0.8. Okay, again we see this table 0.85 is, you see the n is the range between 0.8 and 1, so the second letter is n. Okay, and since this is from 0.8 to 1, so we have to decrease this with the lower bound of the n. There's 0.05 and etc. And again, you have to divide by the range. You can see this to decoding. You have to divide with the current range. So again, you divide this using the n range. N range is 0.2. 0.2. Okay, I copy this. See, the new number is 0.28. You see again from the table 0.28. 0.28 is the D, you see. So the third number is D. Again, you have to reduce this using the lower bound of D, 0.2. You have to get the new number by dividing this using the range. D range is 0.2. 0.2. From 0.2 to 0.4 is 0.2. You see the new number here, 0.4. You see again in the table, 0.4 is 0.4 is I. So you see this is the I, and then the difference, we subtract this by the lower bound of I is 0.4. You see the new difference, and then we calculate the new number by dividing this using the current range. For the I is 0.4. 0.4, and we have the new number here. Yes, and you see again from the table the number here 0.0. 0.0 is here, 0.0. So this is the A. And also we have to subtract this using the table, and also we have to stop this 0.2. Because we have to achieve this. This is also the problem in arithmetic code here for stopping, stopping for implementation. Stopping, because this when to stop, there is some issue. Stop because this calculation will continue. For example, this if we continue this 0.0 is A again, and then we subtract this with the lower bound, and then we again find the new number. Again, and also we have to see again in the table 3 is here in D. So this is will continue to infinity. So the programmer should implement how to stop this until only this number. Okay, this is for arithmetic code. You see from the example here, for example, I want to decode ACA. ACA is so I should create the table here ACA, and then we do the same thing with here using this probability with the lower end and higher end, and then for this use the same similar calculation here. This for next, and then this is for range, and the final result is 0. The number from 0.195 to 0.21 is the ACA. So this is the ACA. So if you want to decode, for example, 0.20 is the string ACA. Sorry, yes, ACA. So the similar method you can decode using this kind of method. So for example, 0.2 and 0.2. You see from the table here, 0.2 is A. This is A, and then you have to subtract this with the lower bound. Lower bound is 0, and then you have to create a new value divided by the range is 0.3, 0.3, and then you have the new number. You just copy this new number, and you see from the table the 0.66 is 0.66 is the C. So you see the value is C, and then you have to subtract this by the lower bound of C, where is C is here, and then you have to create the new value by dividing this with the current range for C. C is the range. C is 0.25, 0.25 I think. 0.25, okay, and you have the new number 0.8, and then you see from the table again 0.86 is E. So this is the number E, and this is continue to infinity, but you have to stop here because this is the final result. Okay, but okay, you can continue. And then you have to divide this by E is 0.2, and this is the new number. That is the B. So we have to stop until here. Okay, this is the arithmetic code, yeah, from this reference. Also the slide from here, another university, and also from paper from Stanford. This is the Ian Witten Radford, yeah, and clearly you can see this is only the old paper. Yeah, there is a lot of code here to implementation. I think there is a stop condition here. Okay, I think enough. Thank you very much. Good night.